Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I have some brand new pieces here. Well, they're not brand new, and what I mean by brand new is that I bought them at a yard sale last year. My neighbor had a sale and I bought that house up there, which I'm working on, and these pieces came with it. But I'm not going to put them inside that house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch them for other appliances in one of my doll houses. So that means that there's going to be a renovated kitchen coming soon with these pieces. Look at how beautiful. The only one that I have to do something to is the stove because it's missing the door, the oven door. Other than that, there's nothing to do with these pieces. They are beautiful. They look brand new. And I don't know if I mentioned that dollhouse that this came with, I bought it for $20 from my neighbor, and these pieces came with it. So I want to swap older pieces from one of my dollhouses with these and kind of get a new kitchen out of it so I can bring it to you. And I also have some roosters here. Look at these little tiles. Look at how cute. I got them at a yard sale, separate yard sale. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm not sure where I'm going to use them, but let me see if I can shine the light over here so that you can see better. Look at that. Look at the roosters. It's hard to find these items. I just find them by luck because I hunt a lot. I go to thrift shops, flea markets, yard sales, and I look at every table and I make sure that I don't miss anything on the tables. So that's how I come across these things. And these were, I believe it was a quarter each. A quarter each, and look how nice of a tile that is. So let me put the lamp back here and show you the back of the tile has a magnet. See it? So each of these have a magnet in the back. Alright, well, I'll be back with that kitchen that I'm talking about. Thanks for watching.